What's up, guys? Got another video on this 2006 Ford F-150 with the 5.4 Triton motor. Quick video on how to replace the fuel filter. So on this truck, it's not necessary to go ahead and relieve the fuel pressure. There's no Schrader valve or anything on the fuel rails under the hood. I suppose if you wanted to, you could pull the fuel pump relay or fuse, but like I said, it's not necessary. As long as you do this on a cold engine, you'll be all right. So you want to get yourself a drain pan here and a pick or a small flathead screwdriver, and then your fuel line disconnect tool here. So you want a 3/8. I got a couple different ones here. They sell a bunch of different ones. I'll put some in the description there. You can get off of Amazon. You can get those for pretty cheap. And then also a rag just to wipe up any fuel. And you're going to crawl right underneath the driver door here. So when you crawl underneath your driver door here, go ahead and locate your fuel filter. It's going to be right there on the inside of the frame here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pick here, and if you notice this blue clip here, so you want to take your pick, you want to get under this, just this portion of it, because this is going to, like a locking tab, you're going to kind of pry outward with this. So you can see that kind of slide outward. And then make sure you have your drip pan ready here, because fuel is going to come out of this. And you're going to press on this portion of the blue tab with your thumb or your finger, and you're going to push in on the line. Press down on that, and then this will pop out of here. Okay, so just like that, and you can see wasn't too much fuel in there, the pressure built up or anything. So you can kind of just let that drain a little bit there. So once you have that released, if you want to, you can kind of just set it on there without clipping it back on, just so that's not dripping all over you there. Hopefully that'll keep that from dripping. So your other line is going to be right here. So what you're going to do is you got this locking tab on here. So you're going to press towards the truck to kind of undo that. And then you're going to go, these clips right here, you're going to push outward on those. If I can get you guys a good angle here. So kind of bring that in, as you can see, and then just lift up, and that just pops off of there like that. And now you're going to take your 3/8 fuel line disconnect tool here. You're going to slide that over the fuel filter there. So that just kind of pops there. And then you're just going to kind of rotate this in to the fuel filter. You want to get that all the way in there. And then what you can do is we're going to kind of just pull on this filter, but also the line here. So if you can pop this line off. There we go. So you can see that just, there goes my flashlight. But you can see that just kind of released from the fuel filter there. So pop that line off. There we go. So get that line off of there. You can get your tool off of here if you want. Just kind of let that drain real quick. And then you can go ahead and just pop this. This just snaps out of this holder here. So it might be kind of stuck in there. Pop that out of there. There's your old fuel filter. So now let's take a look at the old fuel filter and then the new one here. So I'm not sure when the last time this was changed. Not sure what brand it is. But if you take a look at the new one here, I got this one off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Just went with the Motorcraft FG-1083. And this is what that looks like. And if you notice, there is an arrow on here. And on the old one, there's an arrow right here saying flow, go that way. So this is going to be from the tank, goes in, cleans it, and then it goes out to the engine there. And what I like to do, just to see how dirty this old fuel filter was I'll take the fuel filter here just with a rag, and then I'll dump it to where the arrow's pointing up. So you can kind of see how dirty that old fuel was. So it is doing its job there. If you pour it this way, You can see it still looks kind of dirty that way. So it's definitely time to change this one out. And then I just want to show you guys here. So this line here, so if you notice, there's a total of 4 of those little jaws in there. So that's what you're using the special fuel line disconnect tool. So you're sticking that in there, and then that's retracting all 4 of those little jaws in there. And that's how you can pull that off of there. And then also, if you notice here, you got this clip right here. So this was already out of it. But if your guys is in that, you may want to just pop that out of that little plastic clip here. I'll see if I can put that back in when we get the new filter on here. So then go ahead and grab your new filter. Again, with the arrow pointing towards the front of the truck there. And there's a little slot on this bracket here to where it hits up against the front portion of the fuel filter there. So just kind of get this popped in there. And then let's go ahead and connect this line here. If you want to, you can bring that all the way back. Get this line on. And then you're just gonna snap this on. You can hear that click, so you know that's on there. And then just give it a tug just to make sure. And then this clip here, you're gonna stick in. So you get these little tabs right here. That's gonna go inside there, like that. And then you just press it down like that. And then your other line, go ahead and get that one on. So we're just gonna snap this one on as well. That might move on you there. So you can see that pops on there. And then you can push down on this blue locking tab. And there we go. New fuel filter's on. So then, like I said, this portion here, if you want to, you can try and get that back in there. But this one was out before I started. There we go. So you pop that into that black plastic clip there. And that's all there is to it. So now we can go ahead and start it, guys. So what you want to do, let's just cycle the key a couple times here. You just want to build that fuel pressure back up. Turn it back off. And you can kind of hear that little noise there, so it is building pressure. I like to just do this a few times here. And I'll go ahead and do it one more time. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and start it. And then you want to just crawl underneath here with it running. Just make sure you don't got any leaks. So that all looks good. And then you can go ahead and shut it off. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Again, this was a 2006 Ford F-150 5.4 liter Triton motor. Went ahead and showed you how to replace the fuel filter. Super easy to do on these trucks. Maybe takes you 10-15 minutes at the most to get it done. So if this video helps you out, give it a like. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I got a bunch on this truck alone. Check those videos out when you get a chance. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.